two of trying a nose contour. It looks all messed up, but I think it'll work. We'll fix it. This is the Frankie Rose 9-1 concealer brush. This works really good for blending out contour, concealer, anything. Sometimes I like to use it for my eyes. Or Phi brush for the blush. It also looks like this on this side. Forehead and nose. Okay, blending the rest out to the nose contour. Blending it on the nose. I forgot to apply concealer. This is the Rose and Ben brush in C31. I literally love their brushes. Okay, I'm gonna blend the nose contour. So it looks pretty dark. I'm just going in with this concealer brush and going down the middle. What do you think so far? It doesn't look that good. I didn't take my time. I feel like if you really took your time, added a highlight, used a powder bronzer, like it would look really good. And honestly, it does look good. Highlight to the nose. And that's how I would nose contour.